Oh, I pick a good time to try and walk the dogs. Come on, walk, walk, walk. Come on. Jimmy, come on. Come on, still. All right, doggies. Where are we going? Huh? Are we going into your favorite store here, doggies? Huh? Huh? What is this place? Huh? Good stuff, Jimmy? Hmm? Well, you look sharp in your new harness. You like that? Is it comfy? Huh? I've come here for two reasons. That was the first one, is to go get the doggies well, get Stella a harness because the kids have lost one. And the one that we have is, I don't know, not very comfortable. And the other is to go to the store up here, the Sprint store. Actually, I guess it's now T-Mobile store, and check out on this router I want to get for my work. And I need to do some research on it. So it's a MoFi 4500 router, and I'm not certain it would do exactly what I need it to do. And I guess there's a third reason, but that third reason is kind of iffy, and that's to walk the dogs around the plaza. But yeah, with this lovely weather, it's kind of rough to do that. So rough, get it? Huh? Dogs. Anyways, Sprint store or T-Mobile store. I don't know what to call it anymore. Yeah, this is my other reason for coming. And they've changed it all around. Sprint is no more. It's been bought out by T-Mobile. All right, well, that was helpful. I think I can do it. I think I can do it for $50 a month with Sprint / T-Mobile. Well, it's raining and yucky, unfortunately for the dogs. So I think I'll go see if I can go to the Crapple store for a little bit. Oh, yucky. I hope I can find some close parking. The plaza has a nasty habit of closing at 5 o'clock on a Sunday. Today is Sunday, so. Does my Crapple store even look open? Maybe they closed early. No, they don't look open at all. I don't know what their hours are. It's weird. Well, anyway, I guess let's go home. Woohoo!